In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize gaming performance in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, open Settings, and select Gaming from the left sidebar. Inside this section, click on Game Mode and toggle it on. This helps prioritize your game and reduces interruptions like background updates while you're playing. Right below that, click on Graphics, turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling to help reduce latency and improve overall performance. In the same menu, also enable optimizations for windowed games. This is especially useful if you play games in windowed or borderless mode, as it improves responsiveness and smoothness. Next, click the search icon, type Core Isolation, and press Enter. In this setting, toggle memory integrity to off. This disables virtualization-based security, which can improve gaming performance and increase FPS. Once done, close the window. Now restart your computer to apply these changes. This step is important to ensure everything works properly. After restarting, click Start again, open Settings, then go to System and select Power and Battery. Look for Power Mode and set it to Best Performance. This allows your system to use maximum resources while gaming. Next, click the search icon, type defrag, and open defragment and optimize drives. Select your drive from the list, then click Optimize. Wait for the process to complete, as this can improve load times and overall system responsiveness. After that, click the search icon again, type disk, and open Disk Cleanup. Choose your main drive, check all available boxes, and click OK to remove temporary and unnecessary files that may slow down your system. Now click Search, type Task Manager, and open it. Go to the Startup Apps tab, then right-click and disable any non-essential apps. This prevents them from launching in the background and using system resources while you game. Finally, click the search icon, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and press Enter. In the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance, then click OK. This disables unnecessary visual effects to free up more system power for gaming. After completing these steps, your Windows 11 system should run games more smoothly with better performance and reduced lag. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.